Hi, it's Izzy in front of Infinix Zero Ultra, and I'll show you how the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see does this feature works and how fast is it. And that's it. Let's start just so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the just face unlock feature works here fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock feature. I just wanna suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that this option is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.